Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. Today the embellishment box has just come, so I'll actually be unboxing and reviewing this. So this time also they've sent a cream box, and if I open the box there will be goodies. So this is the card that they mostly send, and these are my goodies. Now I have loved this month embellishment box. Both the bling bag and the embellishment box, the beauty box, the jewelry boxes I've loved this time. So the first product is actually a bangle. It's a turquoise bangle set which I have loved. They will look really good with Indian as well as Western wear. So these are the set of bangles. As you can see, there is like a turquoise bangle, then there's another turquoise thing, some gold bangles, and this gold entangled kind of a bangle. I'll just wear it and show you. It's my size, thankfully. So this is how it's gonna look. I really love it. This is going to match with some of my Indian wear as well as Western wear. So this is the first product. The second product they have sent is a ring, which, as they pack everything in plastic bags, this is also packed in a plastic bag. This is the ring. Sorry, I'll wear it actually, that's the best way. This is the ring. It's looking really pretty, a nice red color, and as you can see, like there's a diamond, there are stones, and they're looking very pretty with the reflection, the light reflection, and it's matching with my dress, so I can put it on. The third thing that they have sent is actually a colored necklace. This is a kind of bead kind of a necklace, long bead kind of a necklace, and this is going to look really pretty with a white shirt, or even with a plain sari. So this is how the necklace is looking like, and I'll actually just show you how it's gonna look if I wear it, let's say. So this is how it's looking if I wear it, and I think it's looking very good. Of course not on the suit, but like the shape which is coming really well. I really love it. Like, it has all the colors, all the summery colors. It's gonna look really good with a peach top or something of that sort. Peach top, a turquoise top, even a white top. This is going to look really pretty. Especially the shape is coming very well, I feel. So this is the third product, and I've loved all three of them till now. But the fourth product is actually my favorite. I'll show you. It is a pack of these earrings, these fringe earrings. They are of a lovely royal blue and purple kind of a color. These are the earrings with pearls in it, and I really love pearls. This was also packed very well. So this came with a polythene, and this is my favorite piece out of the four. So embellishment box is a fashion jewelry subscription service which retails for 1200 rupees for a month. Of course, if you subscribe for a higher duration, you get discounts, and they have been really sweet to me. So they were sending me feather earrings, but actually I don't like feathers, so that's why I asked them to send tassel instead of feathers. So they actually replaced it at the last moment, and I'm so thankful that they replaced it. I just love this piece. So these were my four pieces that I got in my embellishment box. Do tell me what you got in yours and how you liked it. Until then, if you like the video, please do like, comment and subscribe, and please do subscribe to my channel. I really need more of your support. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.